How to fix Telegram SMS fee code problem fixed in Android. So if you want to fix your SMS fee code problem on your Telegram, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to find your Telegram application, tap and hold on to it, then go with the app info section. Once you're in your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be in the top right. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed, or just simply go with storage and cache again and then go with manage space. And from here, you need to scroll down again and then you need to go and clear the cache. After that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to go back and make sure that the number that you've entered is correct. Or the next solution, you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Telegram. And if you have any updates on your Telegram, just simply go and update it. And after updating your Telegram, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then you need to make sure that you have a VPN. So if you already have a VPN installed on your device, you just need to simply go and connect to a VPN. After connecting to a VPN, you can open up your Telegram and enter your number and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.